Okay, this is it, the SOARR process. Now, this is your step-by-step guide to audit, strengthen, and bulletproof your background screening program. We're walking you through our 5-step SOARR system: survey, optimize, align, reinforce, and refine. Using our cutting-edge online tools, we've built them to make you a pro. You'll learn exactly how to use each tool, spot gaps, and make smart decisions tailored to your organization's needs. Plus, as masterclass members, you get 2 free 30-minute coaching sessions with our screening coaches. Now, that's secured by an NDA for confidentiality to guide you through this process or review your results. Now, we've upgraded SOARR with online tools to make it fast, insightful, and transparent. You'll use these tools to audit. Do I need to go upstairs? Okay. All right, we've upgraded SOARR with online tools to make it fast, insightful, and transparent. You'll use these tools to audit your screens, data, decisions, and compliance. Then decide what to improve based on your unique goals. If you're unsure, our coaches are here. Use those 2 free sessions to ask questions or get tailored recommendations. Now let's break down each step and show you how to use our tools to become a screening expert. First, survey. Start by dissecting your screening packages, the components like county searches, federal checks, or alias searches. Our online survey tool lets you answer detailed questions about your current screening packages. So, I recommend you grab the documentation from your current vendor about your current screening packages. Whatever you do, don't guess the answers. If you're unsure, use a coaching session to work through it with an expert. The tool analyzes your input and generates a scorecard, grading your screen's quality and flagging gaps. The report highlights critical weaknesses. Review it, then decide. Is this score good enough for our needs? A childcare provider might need a near-perfect score, while a warehouse might accept less. If it needs work, plan improvements. Or you can consult a coach to map out your next steps. Now, step 2 in the process is to optimize your data flow. So that means we're going to audit your data pipeline to catch errors and fraud. Now, our online data analysis tool guides you to sample your applicant data used for background checks. You're going to load in the data and it will analyze and identify potential errors like misspellings, nicknames. Remember, Maddie versus Madeline, dual names, or missing middle names. The tool flags issues that cause disruptions, delays, or even fraud. If your data's solid, hey, pat yourself on the back. Awesome. If not, plan fixes, which could be stage approvals, visual ID checks, or an ID scanning tool. If you're not sure how to fix them, use a coaching session to design a bulletproof data process. Now, this step, along with survey, that's the foundation to stopping errors and fraud before they hit. Now, step 3 is align your decision making. So you're going to standardize how you interpret reports to ensure fairness and consistency. Now, our sample decision matrix tool lets you create guidelines tailored to your organization. It covers offense types like violent, property, drug, or severity, felony versus misdemeanor, and time since the offense. You decide which records need closer review before adverse action. Now, our context screening document included in this step trains you to conduct EEOC required individualized assessments, exploring an applicant's story, rehabilitation, growth to find that hidden talent. Now, step 4 is reinforce your compliance. Compliance is your shield against lawsuits. Our proprietary online compliance audit tool takes you through a checklist of key issues, authorizations, adverse actions, arrest records, etc., to confirm you're following FCRA and state laws. Answer questions, add comments, and get a report with an audit certificate. It's perfect for litigation defense. If you're unsure about a question in the audit tool, use a coaching session to ensure compliance. Now, this tool keeps your process legally sound, even when you have new staff All right, the last step is step 5, and that's refine your vendor partnerships. Finally, take your findings from survey, optimize, align, and reinforce to improve your vendor relationship. Use your vetting guide to probe your screener's methods, data sourcing, AI, tech expertise. Now, our tools give you the evidence to hold vendors accountable. Coaching session can help you interpret the findings and negotiate improvements, ensuring your screener delivers airtight screens. So here's the deal. SOARR transforms your screening. Survey finds gaps. Optimize stops the errors. Align ensures fairness. Reinforce locks in compliance. And refine strengthens your vendor. These online tools, survey, data analysis, decision matrix, context screening, and the compliance audit, they make it easy to audit and improve. Now, don't know where to start? Use your 2 free 30-minute coaching sessions. Share your audit results, ask questions, or let a coach recommend fixes after reviewing your data. This is your chance to make decisions tailored to your needs, whether you're protecting kids, customers, or your brand. Now, thank you for becoming masterclass experts. Our goal is to make screening better everywhere. By now, you know I'm an owner with my partners in a background screening company. But our mission here is greater than that. We're passionate about giving you the knowledge to build safer, smarter hiring. That's our goal. This course and the community we're building equip you to transform your program. So congratulations on crushing it. Now, go and pass that final exam and earn your screening expert certification.